In a late-night incident in Nagalagama Street, Grandpass, two individuals sustained injuries from a shooting. According to police reports, the injured parties have been admitted to the Colombo National Hospital for treatment. The shooting occurred when two unidentified individuals arrived on a motorcycle and opened fire before fleeing the scene. The victims, aged 22 and 28, are residents of Grandpass. The motive behind the shooting remains unknown, and police have launched an investigation to apprehend the suspects involved.